With Interlogix ceasing production of Verex in 2019, many are asking, what now? Fortunately, we're committed to continual innovation and market expansion, ensuring that when you invest in us, you're getting unified access control and intruder detection systems with the support to help your business grow. So whether you're on the lookout for a new web-based system or an enterprise-level solution, ICT Protege is the perfect replacement. When moving from Verex to a Protege system, you don't need to start from scratch. The first thing you'll need is a DIN rail controller to replace the Verex controller. Our controllers are equipped with a range of features that make the transition simple. Onboard industry-standard 10100 Ethernet, 2 reader ports on the standard controller, configurable for either Wiegand or RS-485 reader operation, and 1 reader port on the single-door controller, configurable for RS-485 operation. Each port supports up to 2 readers for entry and exit. Onboard off-site communications dialer available on the standard controller, 8 high-security monitored zone inputs on the standard controller, and 2 on the single-door controller. In addition, you'll need a 2A power supply that'll provide the tamper input and 2 programmable Form B relays and an 8-input expander to increase the number of inputs to 16, and a Verex migration license. Also, if you want to keep your existing enclosure in place, you can install a DIN rail strip for the new modules. To show just how simple the transition is, we're now going to run through the 2 most common configurations. With the standard controller, you can use one of the 2 reader ports to communicate with the Verex modules and use the other to control an additional door. We've also connected the power supply and input expander to the controller using the RS-485 module network port. The same can be done with the single-door controller, but you won't be able to use the reader port for door control. If your existing installation is access control only and you want to take advantage of the onboard reader ports, you can connect to the Verex modules using the RS-485 module network port on the controller. With this configuration, you can still connect the power supply to the same port using only the N+ and N- connectors, but the port can't be used to expand the module network. To bring the Verex modules online, you'll need to set the network type for the port you are using to Verex Snap after applying the Verex migration license to each controller. You'll also need to enter the serial number of the Verex module in the relevant expander record and configure any additional settings required. At ICT, we're committed to making the migration as simple as possible while offering support for your existing Verex system and continual development and innovation across our product line. With minimal upfront investment, you can take your time with the transition while taking advantage of a solution that meets both current and future requirements. Secure your future with ICT.